Throughout the history of model railroading, there have been few trains which have captured the imagination in the same way as the Lyon L400E Blue Comet. Hailed at the time as the largest and most powerful model locomotive ever built, the first example of this tinplate masterpiece hit the shelves of toy shops and department stores in 1931. Produced with a set of accompanying passenger cars, the train was based on the Jersey Central Railroad's luxury train of the same name, a high-profile express from New York to Atlantic City. Now, for the first time since 1939, you too can experience the excitement and magic of unboxing the standard gauge Lyon L Tinplate 400E, complete with final production nickel trim. Originally built featuring brass trim, Lyon L switched to nickel before making the decision to phase out all standard gauge products in 1939. This decision ensured that the new nickel trim example would be the last of the iconic 400E, and its short production period cemented it as a rare collector's piece for years to come. The Lyon L400E Blue Comet from MTH Electric Trains brings the excitement and the atmosphere of the original into the 21st century.
Now arriving from San Francisco on track 1, train number 44, Long Island.
This classic nickel trim model is as close to the original as you'll get without breaking the bank. Constructed with all original manufacturing materials to scale specifications, this is less of a replica and more of a rebirth of this iconic set. Beneath the classic tinplate cladding, you'll find all the modern features you'd expect on any MTH locomotive, including a quiet, smooth-running DCS-equipped motor, and both our Proto-Smoke and Proto-Sound units, bringing this model to life in ways that a 1930s child could only dream of. Available to purchase separately is the accompanying 3-car passenger set, featuring 2 coach cars and a rear platform observation car. Just as with the locomotive, these cars have been built to the exact specification of the 1939 originals and feature fully furnished tinplate interiors with swiveling chairs and opening doors. You can now purchase a 4th coach car and a newly designed baggage car to complete your Blue Comet consist. All available cars feature interior lighting with rear marker lights on the observation car. Run this locomotive or any other MTH train with our new DCS smartphone app. All the power of our DCS digital system in the palm of your hand.